So this is just a recap for live stream 111. As we can see here, we've had a losing day, minus 23,690. With the losing day, let's just have a look at the trades we took. So we took a YM trade. We did realize that we did say it was a bit of a high risk trade. The reason it was a high risk trade, it wasn't the first initial setup or the second entry, it was pretty much a third entry here after having price fail at these highs. Even though we made new highs, pulled back, then we had this big sell-off with these two candles here, so breaking below this low here. So there was that risk, but we did take the trade as price was going against us. We eventually closed the position. Our initial stop was around the 791 mark. Price would have got our stop, but I didn't like the price action as price came down, seemed to be stalling, seemed like we wanted to test the lows, which we eventually did. So based on the price action, close the position early, minus 29.4 right there. Also had a gold trade on at the same time. And again with this one, we're seeing a lower high. So we had the first setup. I believe we had a second setup through here. Let's go have a look on gold. So 5-minute chart. So we had the first setup and the second setup through here. I had a second setup through here. Both setups would have hit target. On the third setup, again, had a high, lower high. It's not very positive. Came close to the lows there. Made somewhat higher lows, but had a lower high. Went in, thought prices would continue. Did mention that it was a bit of a higher risk trade with the lower high here. Didn't like the price action that we saw coming out of YM. Thought we would see the same again on gold. So decided to close both positions pretty close within each other. So not long after the YM got out of gold, would have been stopped out on gold as well. Our stop would have been hit before we've seen price head to the upside. I was thinking about possibly re-entering, but I ended the stream, so decided that I'm not going to re-enter. Just going to be okay with having another losing day. So this is 3 losing days in a row. We lost 205, lost 37.5. Now we're losing 23.6. So losing days are becoming smaller. There was plenty of opportunities this week, but due to scheduling around our job, we couldn't take any of the opportunities that present themselves during the volatile period this week. So we'll look to see. Our schedule should clear up for next week, and I'll be looking to trade more regularly. There was the opportunity here today, but again, after pretty much long day, I wasn't in the right mental space. I did come in the afternoon, but as we can see, all I did was lose. So next week should be back to the regular schedule, and we'll stream a lot more. Hopefully we'll get some positive trades in, dig ourselves out a bit of the hole that we were in. I think at the highest point we were up at 750, currently down at 486. So we'll see what next week brings. But thanks for watching. Good luck trading and have a great weekend.